Meet the all-new 2025 Grand Wagoneer, where power meets pure luxury. A commanding design built to turn heads everywhere it goes. Powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbo Hurricane engine pushing out 540 horsepower. With up to 9,800 pounds of towing, strength comes standard. Step inside. Premium leather, real wood, and next-level craftsmanship. Over 120 tech features designed to keep every drive connected. Starting around $85,000 with luxury trims beyond $110,000. The 2025 Grand Wagoneer, the new definition of American luxury.